Welcome back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and today we're going to draw an apple pie. It's Thanksgiving, but you can draw pie any time of the year because it's delicious. So here we're going to start with some basic lines. Our first one is like a rainbow. This is the top of the pie. And now the bottom of the pie is where it touches the pan, so a nice curved line. When the crust comes over the edge, it has a little bit of a folds into it. See this tear shape on the side? We are going to do that around the edge of the pie. And to make it look like it's overlapping, I won't bring it to a point that you can see. So I'm drawing my little curved lines, like my teardrops, right around the pie, right to the edge. And maybe here on the other side, I'll round it out. There's a line in the middle. I won't need it. I will erase it at the end, or just color over it if it's light enough. So now let's draw the pan. One little curved line on the left, and then one little curved line on the right. Make sure they're the same size with a curved line on the bottom that brings it together. I'm just going to throw in some little lines in my pan just to make it a little bit more interesting. Let's decorate the top of our pie. I'm going to give mine a little apple slice, so another slight curved line like a little rainbow, and the other one starts at the top of the pie and comes down to a point. Let's give this a little more look of an apple, so draw a very thin line beside that top outer rainbow line, the first one you did. There's your peel, and then inside just a little half circle and another little teardrop, and there's your seed. You got your apple seed. We'll do a few more teardrops right around the top. This is the holes in the pie letting out the steam. And you can leave it like that, or you can draw a little tablecloth underneath. I drew a diamond shape. I got lines going one direction, lines going the other direction, and I've got myself a tablecloth. And now you're ready to color. Don't forget, add lots of shades into each of your colors, making it look like you have some darks and lights. This apple pie is gonna look so delicious, you're gonna wanna eat it. And there's a delicious looking apple pie. Thanks so much for doing another Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come back and draw with me again.